So you understand what is the series of 1, yes or no?
Yes.
Now,
Series.
suppose, but when you are going to do the multiplication with this kind of number, you just have to understand the pattern. Using this pattern, you can do it very easy. Okay. So I will going to start from 1 and then 11, 111, 41, and all these numbers are you are going to understand. So suppose there is a number 28 and multiplying with 1. Very simple. Answer is what?
Do it.
If the number is 328, what is the answer?
328
And if number is 4328,
is for 328.
means multiplication with 1 is very simple. You got the same number, right?
Yes.
Now, suppose this is the number 11. Now, what is the answer? 8 into 11.
88.
Very good. Now, if I'm going to ask you 9 into 11,
99.
very easy. Now tell me 12 into 11.
121.
Now look at this. You don't have to think about it. Because this number will become a 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, whatever you want. So you have to follow the pattern. For multiplication of 12, I'm going to tell you only just separate the value like this, 1 and 2. There is one number here. What number should I write down? That number will be 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2?
3.
This is the answer. Okay. The answer was
132.
now tell me 32 into 11.
352.
35. 74 into 11.
7.
Hmm.
1.
Hmm.
0. 1 1. 7 1 1 4.
So this number will become a 2 digit. So when you got the 2 digit number, actually you have to write down only single digit, and this one will going to carry over to the next one. So this is actually not 1. This will become. So 7 plus 4 is 11. So there is a 7, there is a 4. But because of this 11, this 1 will going to carry over to the. So plus 1 is going to. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now next. Look at this one. 78 multiplication with 11. What we are going to do now?
70. 7 plus
7 will be here. 8 will be here. 8 plus 7 is 15.
14. 15.
15.
5 1
So
2.
5 is here and 1 will be here. So it will be. The answer is what?
858.
850. Tell me the next question. 95 multiply with 11. Tell me the answer quickly.
1000. 1045.
1045. Good. 9514. So 4 is there. 1 is going to carry over. This 9 will become a 2. 10. Now, if the 2 digit number is there, like 95 into 11, then you can do it very easy. Right?
Yes.
That's so easy. But if in any case this 195 will become a 195 into 11, then what? This is only 95, but this 11 will become a triple one. Then what? That is the only question if you have in your mind, right?
Yes.
There is many other question as well. Like if the number is 1254 and there is a 41, then what? If there is a 51, then what? I haven't discussed this question. Obviously, I'm going to discuss now. So don't worry. Okay. So I will going to discuss all these questions in a minute. First, understand with multiplication with triple one. Okay.
Okay.
There is a two chances. Number. So multiplying with 11, there is a two cases. Actually, three cases. Now look at this case. The number should be two-digit number. Number may be a three-digit number, or number may be a four-digit. Apart from that, any cases you can find? Maybe 5, 6, 7, but all will going to cover here. So this three-digit number will going to multiply with two-digit number, then what will happen? This three-digit number multiply with three-digit number, then what will happen? And then this three-digit number is greater than multiply with 4, 5, 6-digit number, then what will happen? If we're going to understand this, you can get it very easy, right? Any problem. That is the reason this is important. Look at this. How the process works is different from the previous. What we are going to do here, when you have to multiply 123 with triple V, okay? 123 with triple V. What you have to put? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do it separately. Here, 1, 2, 3, multiplication with 1. Now, I'm going to discuss what is the answer of this. It's simple. Process is very simple. To start with this multiplication, you can put 0. Simple. First 0 will be there. Always write down 0. Now, write down the multiplication of these three. First, understand the 3-digit multiplication. Okay, double one with 1, 2, 3. Earlier we understand 2, 3 into 11, right? Now we
Yes.
are going to understand first. First, we are going to understand 3-digit number 1, 2, 3 with 11. Okay,
Okay.
so this will help you more. Then we can understand the rest of it. So look at this. How we are going to do. First, when the number will become a 3-digit number, and this 11 is only 2-digit number, or whatever the digit 11 is, simply put 0 here. So this is the first step. This is the first step. Now, the second step is what? Always you are going to multiply this 3 with 1. Tell me, 3 into 1?
1. I mean 3.
I'm right. I'm writing answer here. Now, tell me 2 into 1?
2.
But I'm not going to write down 2 here. Okay. Here, I'm going to write down 2 plus 3, the previous value of the 2. Earlier, when we are doing 3 into 1, we don't have any number here. So we don't added anything, and after multiplication, I write down 3. But when you do the 2 into 1, you have a number, previous value, right? So add this
Yes.
one. So 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 3,
5.
good. Now, 1 will going to multiply with, again 1. 1 into 1,
1.
and previous value. Add the previous value. So 1 plus 2,
3.
understand?
Okay, sir.
Now, 0 will going to multiply with 1. Tell me 0 into 1
0.
and plus 1,
1.
1. The answer is 135. Simple. What is the answer? 135. Note it down. Now, we're going to discuss one more problem. Now, look at it. 2, 3, 4. We are going to multiply with 11. So, what is that? To start with this answer, first we have to put 0. That is the first step. Now, we are going to multiply with 3 into 4 into 1. Tell me 4 into 1.
4.
First part of the answer is get. You get it. Now, 3 into 1.
1. 3. 3 plus 4, 7.
Good. Next.
2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5.
Good. Next.
0 into 1, 0. 0 plus 2, 2.
What is the answer?
2, 5, 7, 4.
Get it?
Yes, sir.
Tell me one more problem.
Is it the same rule for 3-digit?
No, this is not for 3-digit. Little different. That is the reason I'm asking you this question. First, understand with the 2-digit. In 3-digit, we have a little change. Only little change. Process is same.
6 ones are 6.
Mhm.
7 ones are 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 3, 1 carry over. 9 times 1, 9.
Mhm.
7. 9 plus 7, 16. 1 carry over. 7. With 1 carry over. Then first 0. With 1 carry over. Then 0 times 1. 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10,735.
36. I'm also going to help you with more speed. Now you understand the process, but I'm going to tell you very helpful tips that will speed up your process. Just a very simple tip. I told you to do the multiplication of 6 into 1, right? You written down 6. Then you do the 7 into 1 and plus 6, right? 7
Yes.
into 1 plus 6. So 7 plus 6 is 13. You written down 3 and 1 is carry over. Then you multiplied 9 into 1 and 9 and 9 plus 7,
9 plus
16.
7,
16 plus 1 is now look at it. Actually, every time you do the multiplication of 6 into 1 and then you add the value, next value. If there is no value in the first, you write down 6. Next value, you multiply 7 with 1 and then you add 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, can I say that every time multiplication with 1 is you will get always the same number. So why should I do the multiplication? If there is a 1 only, so why should I multiply? 6 into 1 is 6, correct? Now 7 plus 6 is 13, correct? Now 9 plus 7, look at this. I'm just adding 2 9 plus 7,
16.
16, and 1 carry, 17. Now look at this. 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 1 carry, 10. Look at this, 0. Or this is the last value, 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So this step is already complete. So now 1076 is the, get it? Now I'm going to ask you one more question and it will help you a lot more to get this. Now, the number is 4364. This is the 4-digit number. Process will again same, nothing different. Tell me, what is the answer? Okay,
6 plus
simple
4 is
4.
10.
First 4,
10.
10, 0,
6 plus
carry
4,
1.
10. 3 plus 6, 9, 10.
Hmm.
Carry
Okay,
1. 4 plus 3, 7, 8. And
okay,
then 0 plus 4, 4.
answer 48004. Now look easy.
Yes, sir.
So how I started with? I started with multiplication of 1. Then I did the multiplication with 11. Then I did the multiplication with 11 with multiple number. And then
Okay.
I told you how to do it quickly. So if all step is clear, you will going to understand the next class with more easy concept. And in that
Okay.
class, we will discuss with 111, 41, 51, with decimal, without decimal, or all these things is very easy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The topic is series of one will complete in the next class.